become a role model of leader in India. Medha Patkar is remembered as a strong voice for all undisciplined people. Her work provided peaceful struggle can bring change. She made people aware of human rights and justice. Dedication of Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar is early schooling in Mumbai. She was a disciplined and sincere student from childhood. She shows interest in social resources during her school days. She completed her college education in Mumbai. She chose her social work as her main field of study. After that, she joined a college for higher education. She got admission on a Tata Institute. Tata Institute is one of the top institutes of India for social studies. Her study helped her understand real life problems. Medha Patkar faced many difficulties during her social work. She struggled like this for big developing projects. Many times she was arrested during her peaceful look. She continued her work by defeating threats and challenges. She never gave up fight for justice and human rights. She can undertaken the several life things, including the famous 22 deaths in 1991 that brought her very close to death. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao Andolan is organized by Medha Patkar. Narmada Bachao Andolan is a people movement of India. It is a protect people from big dam like Sardar Sarovar Dam. Thousands of people losing their homes and land. They lead by the Medha Patkar and activists. This movement is linked to the Narmada River. Many times leaders and supporters of the movement were arrested. Still they continue their struggle without a fear. This movement was not famous only in India. Also international global organization also supported it. It gave confidence to poor people to speak their right and people realize the power of unity, power of unity. Work of Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar do simple activities in India. She worked for poor family, troubled people. She started the Narmada Bachao Andolan. That movement support the people from the big drum. She raised her voice, people losing homes and land. She worked on the project, rivers and below the department she'll be done. She peacefully marching the project in having the known prices. नमो से नहीं बनती उनकी पहचान की चमक. नमो से नहीं बनती उनकी पहचान की चमक. संघर्ष की राह दिखती उनकी असलमक. संघर्ष की राह दिखती उनकी असलमक. पुरस्कार तो बस गवाही देते इस बात की. पुरस्कार तो बस गवाही देते इस बात की कि जनता की आवाज़ है मेधा पाटकर आजाद की. कि जनता की आवाज़ है मेधा पाटकर आजाद की. Hours of Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar received the Life Award. This award known as Alternative Nobel Prize Award. She honored with the gold medal environmental that gives the outstanding projector. She received the respectable right to the global instrument invited to speak. This award was got for her leadership for her Narmada Bachao Andolan. She fight for displaced people, recognized
freedom, yeah.
I've been walking with my face turned to the sun. Weight on my shoulders, a bullet in my gun. Oh, I got eyes in the back of my head, just in case I have to run. I do what I can when I can, while I can for my people. While the clouds roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home, far across the river. Can you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer? Gonna keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones.
You have made it 100 miles to freedom. Would you like to pick a new name to mark your freedom?
Phantom.
Early in the morning, before the sun begins to shine, we're gonna start moving towards that separating line. I'm wading through muddy waters. You know I gotta make up mine. And I don't mind if I lose any blood on the way to salvation.
कभी कभी वो शक्ति है, कभी कभी वो भक्ति है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है। जिसको अपनी शक्तियों का ज्ञान है, जिसके हाथ में कमान लक्ष्य पर ही ध्यान है, जो चक्रवात की लहर के सर पे चढ़ के झूम ले, कि प्रश्न चिन्ह तोड़ कर जो उत्तरों को चूम ले। जो आग और बर्फ दोनों साथ लेके चलती है, जो तीर में बदलती है, जो ढाल में भी ढलती है, जो एक पल में अग्नि है, जो एक पल में नीर है, जो पत्थर